the ad's going to send traffic to your website, right? Your website has to be ready to receive those leads.
And that's what's very important to have
the AI set up, right? Yeah, right. And then answer your question. The Google My Business is also, in the Google My Business, you have several options: call, messenger, right? Directions, appointment. It gives you several options.
On the website too.
So on the Google My Business, all those buttons have to be directed not only to the AI, but to your CRM. Okay? So the CRM, as we're going to look here, is a measuring to see how the ads are doing. Oh, before I go on, any questions on the AI? Okay. Here's a recipe. What's a recipe? A recipe, we're going back to, you see here where it says customer replied? That's a channel for your Facebook, a channel for your Google My Business, a channel for your TikTok, a channel for your Instagram. So there's whatever you are advertising at, you have all the channels set up. An assigned user would be one of you. Okay? So the bot is responding as you.